दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
We heard learned counsel for the parties. The allottees who received the allotment letter by the Greater Noida and Noida Authority were impleaded, and several applications for impleadment were filed by various allottees. We, after hearing learned counsel for the parties, by our order allowed learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the authority and other parties to file their affidavits. Insofar as the applications for impleadment and interventions which were filed by various applicants following orders were passed. Various applications were filed for intervention along with affidavits which were taken on record, and we heard learned counsel for the petitioners, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the authority, and learned counsel for the interveners. The hearing was completed. Along with the main writ petition, there are writ petitions challenging various similar notifications issued under Section 4 and Section 6 regarding 41 villages of Greater Noida and 24 villages of Noida. In main writ petition, counter affidavits, supplementary counter affidavits have been filed both by the state as well as by the authority. Counter affidavits by private respondents as well as the intervention applications along with affidavits by several interveners have also been filed. Pleadings being complete in writ petition, the said writ petition is being treated as main writ petition. Insofar as other writ petitions of different villages are concerned, learned Chief Standing Counsel has stated that counter affidavits have been filed by state and authority at least in one writ petition of each village, which may be treated to be leading writ petition of the said village. Although in some other writ petitions, counter affidavits have also been filed by state and authority. The writ petitions relating to different villages are separately grouped, and it shall be suffice to refer to the pleadings of the main writ petition as well as leading writ petitions of each village, along with pleadings of some other writ petitions which were referred to by different learned counsel during the course of hearing for deciding this bunch of writ petitions. The facts as brought on record in the main writ petition and the reference to the pleadings in the said writ petition are sufficient to comprehend and decide the various issues which have arisen between the parties in these writ petitions. Hence, facts of the case of the main writ petition and pleadings therein shall be noted in some detail. The notification was issued by the state government under Section 4(1) of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, notifying that the land mentioned in the schedule is needed for the public purpose, namely for the planned industrial development in Gautam Buddha Nagar through Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority. The petitioners plead in the writ petition that dispensation of the inquiry under Section 5A can only be an exception where the urgency cannot brook any delay. The respondents, without application of mind, dispensed the inquiry. The acquisition proceedings have been termed as void unconstitutional, tainted with malafide, abuse of authority, power and non-application of mind. The provisions under section 5A is mandatory and embodied a just and wholesome principle that a person whose property is being or intended to be acquired should have occasion to persuade the authorities that his property be not touched for acquisition. Land use of village patwari was changed in the Master Plan 2021 after the notification under sections 4 and 6, which is a colorable exercise of powers and entire exercise is arbitrary, illegal and infringes rights of the petitioners guaranteed under Articles 14, 19 and 300A of the Constitution of India. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने अच्छे से लिखी होगी इस डिक्टेशन को। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कितनी मिस्टेक्स आपकी आई, और टेलीग्राम चैनल को आप जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। लिखो स्टेनो अकेडमी नाम है चैनल का। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।